Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on North Cross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 Honda Civic EX-T in silver with black cloth interior. Seating for 5, it's a 4-door sedan and it has a 4-cylinder front-wheel drive engine. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have the release for the trunk located there. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and you have your lane keeping, traction control, and collision warning. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it you have your dash controls as well as cruise control and hands-free dialing. This is a remote start, so you put your foot on the brake, keys in your pocket, and push the engine start button. On the dash you're going to see any important messages, and then we can toggle through on the dash for the menu for different options that are there. And there we go, there's your range, your fuel, different maintenance, music, phone, and kilometers to miles per hour if you wanted to change that, and then you can get back out of it, and there you go. In the center you have your hazard lights, and you've got the display screen. This is also where you're going to see your backup camera view when you put the vehicle in reverse, and I'll just show you that. There you go. There's little lines there to show you the distance, and then you can go into home and touch through for different options that you may want, and audio and information, the Honda link, smartphone connection, and so forth. Below that is your volume and tuner, as well as your front, rear defrost, and side view mirror that are heated, as well as heated seats for driver and passenger. You have an automatic shifter, and you have an electronic parking brake, Econ. There's your brake hold. You have an emergency parking brake, couple of cup holders there, and you also have an armrest where you can put things in, and you have a little bin there that you can put things closer to you. Off to the side you have a glove compartment, and you have a manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls up above, and then this tilts and slides that sunroof. It's a little wet today, so we're going to keep it closed. Off to the side you have grab handles for your passenger to get in, and it makes it easier for exiting. 17-inch wheels, body color door handle with intelligent access, driver's side fuel cap. The back trunk has a little bit of a spoiler, and your backup cameras below the Honda logo to the left. When you want to open up the trunk, you can do so from inside, or you can click and hold your fob. It power releases it, making it easier to get in, and then simply put your hand underneath and lift up. And inside it's nicely carpeted and roomy, and you're also seeing your tabs here for the 60/40 release on the rear seats. When you're ready to close everything up, you simply put your hand on the top and pull down. Then you can lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. You also have remote start on your fob. Storage in the door as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60/40 split. These seats release from the trunk area. You have nice carpeted mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. Up above you have hooks, handles, and lighting. Chrome accents, tinted glass, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.